Okay. Guys, I'm trying to get my dead wig CPR. But it's not working. Okay, let me just tell you this, right? If you are tired, sit your butt down. Don't do anything for a bit. It's okay to rest. This is what my this is where I got myself. Like this morning, I knew my body needed to get a little bit more, just a little bit more rest, right? But I decided to continue working, so I started doing laundry. And this is where laundry got me. This is my curly units. I went ahead and threw it in the laundry with my clothes because it was in my laundry basket. Yep, and CPR, nothing can help this one. I mean, maybe we can put it on life support. I don't even know. Can we? Like, if I can even get it to be a bob right now. Yo. This looks like a dead cat. Nah. This is sad, man. Listen, don't make the same mistake I make. I'm serious. If you're tired, get some rest. Get some rest. The few minutes you would take to get some rest will save you a few bucks. Not bucks, hundreds. I can't even. Like when I saw this in my clothes, when I went to check on them, I freaked out. I'm like, what is that? Then I went closer. It's like, oh, it's my hair. It's my wig. It's my 360 units. Oh, Lord. If this isn't it. Wow. Here goes nothing. Well, here goes my day. I mean, I'm not going to let this ruin my day, though. It is what it is. It is what it is. Let's try one more CPR. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yo. I'm dead. I can't even. I can't. How did we get here? Fatigue is not good. Get some rest when you're tired. Oh, this nails polish though. I just got it. I was trying it out. I gotta go redo my nails. Oh, well, I'm gonna go lay this baby to rest. Ew, that sounds creepy. I'm gonna go put it in the trash and call it a lust. That's really what it is anyways. Oh.